Today's style is one that can be done on girls of all ages. It is double front French braids and connected ponies, and will take you about 15 minutes to do. I've already got the hair parted out just a little bit. I'm using the front of the hair, most of it leaving a little bit on the sides, and then at the back of the crown I've also parted it out. The rest I put into a ponytail so that it's out of the way. We're going to be working with this front section today. I'm just going to spray it down with some water, a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and then some spray gel, and then I will comb that all the way through the hair so that we get a nice hold all day long. From here, this front section is going to be separated into 3 sections. Just try to eyeball it as best you can so that your sections on the right and left are even. The middle one can be a little bit bigger or smaller. You just want the ones on the left and right even. I want to do the middle connected ponies first, so I'm just going to secure the right and left side out of the way with a clip. I do the middle connected ponies first just because then it's an easier guide when I go to do the French braids on the side. It's easier to pick up only the hair that I need when that middle section is already in connected ponytails. So this middle section is going to be split into 3, so just try to eyeball it and make them as even as possible. The front ponytail is going to be connected to the second ponytail. So I'm just combing it out, and as I add the front ponytail to the second ponytail, I'm going to make sure that it's all smoothed out when I connect it so that I get a nice clean look. And then just going to repeat this one more time, add the second section to the third section, and that is the connected pony section. From here we're going to go to our little side French braids. Now I'm going a little bit fast with the braids. If you need a very slow French braid tutorial on how to hold the braid and how to do a French braid and keep it smooth, I will go ahead and link that in the description below. I didn't edit out any of this because I want you to see just how much I smooth the hair as I bring it in. I smooth it several times. I'm smoothing the hair that's to the side because you just get a much cleaner look if you continue to smooth it as you go. Now some people like to use a comb as they add hair in. I like using a comb if I am using a lot of hair, but when I've just got a small French braid like I do on this side, I just like to use my fingers and kind of comb it through with my fingers. I feel like a comb adds like one more element that makes it more awkward for me. So when I get to the part where I've run out of hair for this French braid, I'm just going to secure it with an elastic. It's a little bit different than my original picture. In my original picture, I continue a 3-strand braid down maybe 3 or 4 more inches so that I can add it to that middle section. The way that I'm showing you here, I simply tie it off with an elastic when I run out of hair. So it's just personal preference what you want to do. So I am headed to the other section now, and we are just going to do another French braid. And this is when it's important to have the rest of the hair secured into a ponytail so you don't accidentally pick it up and kind of mess up your part lanes on the side. So I'm done with this other French braid. I'm going to secure it with an elastic. I'm going to bring all 3 ponytails into the middle and simply create a messy bun. If you need a messy bun tutorial, I'm going to link that below along with the French braid tutorial. So this is a really cute style that stays all day long. It would also be a cute one for picture day, as the hair is only half up. So from here I'm just bobby pinning down a few areas of this messy bun, and then we are going to take this ponytail out in the back so that the rest of my hair is down. Here is one final spin to look at our finished style. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.